So let us treat them one after the what? The other. The first one we need to treat now is what? Pinhole what? Camera. Pinhole camera is one of the application of what? Of rectilinear propagation of what? Of light. So pinhole camera, it is made up of a rectangular box or a square box. Like I said, the pinhole camera comprises of what? Rectangular what? Box. Assume this is the rectangular box. And let me put it here. We said the box is what? It's rectangular. So the PO camera made up of what? A rectangular what? Box. So the PO camera is consists or is made up of what? Of a rectangular what? Box. And the box is an opaque. With a what? This is the rectangular box, Abi. With a pin, as the name implies, pin O. We make a hole from this box by using what? A pin. And the hole, we call it what? Camera. That is camera, that is what we make a hole for by using a what? A pin. I mean what? Pinhole what? Camera. So assume that what? I'm now using what? A pin to what? To make a hole here in front of the what? Of the rectangular box. This is the hole that is the what? I make in front of what? Of rectangular box. And this hole that is I make here, this small hole that is what I make here, this hole that is what I make here is what we call pinhole. Because I use what? A pin to what? To make the hole. And at the back of the what? Of the camera, we have a what? At the back of the camera, we have a wall there, which we call it what? Screen. So PO camera is a rectangular box that is have a what? A small hole in front of it called what? Pinhole. And at the back of the camera, we have a what? A screen which equivalent to the what? To the film. Or is a place where the what? The image form in the what? In the camera. That's what PO camera is, a rectangular what? Box that is have a what? A small hole in front called what? Pin. And a what? At the back of the what? Of the camera, there is a wall there or a layer there called what? Screen. A place where the what? The image form in the what? In the camera. Are we? And the what? The sharpness of the image form in this pin or camera is depend on the size of the what? Of this O. The larger the size of the what? Of the O, the what? The image will be what? It will be blurred. If the what? The size of this what? Camera is big, the image form will be what? Will be blurred. So the larger the hole here, the more the image will be what? Will be blurred. The image will not sharp and it will not what? Clear. But when the what? The hole here will what? Will be small. It will give us a what? A sharp and a cleared image. So the larger the what? The image of the what? Of the camera we have there, it can lead to the what? The blurred what? Image. The dull image, the image will not was sharp. But if the what? The whole of the camera is what? Is small to give us what? Sharp and cleared what? Image. To show the sharpness of the what? Of the image is depend on what? size of the what? Of the hole. When the hole small, give us what? Sharp and clear image. Where the hole is what is big, it give us what? Sharp and what? Blurred image. Good. And again, the size of image here also depend on the what? Between the distance between the camera and the what? And the object. Assume that this is what? Let me say this is object in front of the camera. Let me put object here. Assume this is what? The object we have in front of what? Of camera. Let's call this man what? Or what? Object in front of the camera. And look at the diagram very well. The distance between this object and camera what? Camera. Let's call it what? DO. Let's call it what? D what? DO. And distance between the what? The O we have here in the camera. Distance between we have here, O in the camera and the screen in the camera. Let us call it what? DI. This DO means what? Object distance. This DI means what? Image what? Distance. So the sharpness of image in the PO camera also depend on the what? The distance between the what? The object and the camera. So when this object is what? Is moving closer. Okay, let me use this class as what? As a case of study. Assume I'm the object. This is the camera in front of me now. Abi, if the camera is PO, when I'm moving closer to the camera, consider what my image is what? Is bigger. Abi? So when I move backward or away from the camera, my image is what? The size of image is reduced. But when I move forward to the camera now, so my image is what? Is more bigger. But I'm moving away from the camera. So I see that what? My image is what? Size is reduced. The same thing happened to the what? To the PO camera here. When the object is moving toward the what? To the camera, the size of the object will be what? Will be reduced. It will be what? The sharpness of the object will be what? It will be increased. And when the object moving away from the camera, the sharpness of the what? Of the image here will be what? Will be reduced. But when the object moves toward the camera, the sharpness here will be what? Will be increased. But when move away from the what? Camera, it will be what? It will reduce. The way I did in front of the camera now. So let us look at what? How the image form in what? In this. So here, the ray of light will come like this. Another ray of light will what? Come like this. From head to this. So you can see that this is head now, like this. So this place you now have what? Let me use red camera for objects. So when this is head, this ray come from head. So here you will now put your head here. This one come from the foot. This is what? The foot. Good. And this man that we have here is what we call what? Image. So this man that is out there is what we call what? Object. And again, the distance from here to eye, from head to toe of object, let us call it what? Height. HO. We call it what? H what? HO. This HO represents what? Object height. But the distance between the what? The image here, we call it what? HI. Which is what? The height of what? Of image, the height of object, distance of object, distance of what? Of image. So what is the nature now of image form in this PO camera? What are the properties of what? Of image form in what? In PO what? Camera. So properties of what? Image form here. in P what? PO. And the properties or the nature of image form in PO camera can be memorized by a formula called RIM. No, called what? Read. What will I call it? A formula called what? Read. R-I-D. This R we have there, it represents what we call what? Real image. The image is real. This I means what? The image is inverted. D is what? The image is what? Diminished. So the properties of image form, what? In PO camera is what? Is read. R-I-D. What is R stand for? That is the image we have there, it is what? Is real what? Image. There are two types of image. When we get to the reflection of light, I will explain it further. We have real what? We have real image and we have virtual what? Image. What is real image? Any image that is formed on the screen is real image. But the virtual image cannot be formed on the what? On the screen. That's the basic difference between the real what? Image. The real image, you can see it on the what? On the screen, but the virtual image, you cannot see it on the what? On the screen. When we get to the what? Reflection of light, I will explain the real image and the virtual image in what? In details. So the kind of image you have, but this image form on the what? On the screen here, therefore the image we have in the PO camera is what? Is real. Look at the image here. This is object, but the image we have there is what? Is upside down. The object is what? Is upright. It stands like this, but the image of object form here is what? Is upside down. And when the image in what? In the optics is upside down, we call it what? Inverted. And the last one is what? Diminish. What mean of diminish? The image is what? Diminish. When image is diminished, what's the meaning? The image is what? Is smaller than objects. Is what? Smaller than what? Objects. Look at the object height compared to the image what? Height. The image size here is what? Is reduced. So I'll call it what? Diminish. These are the what? The three properties or natures of what? Of image form in PO camera. So the next thing we need under this PO camera is what we call magnification. Mag what? Magnification. And the symbol for magnification is what? Is M. So what is magnification? Magnification is the ratio of image size of an object. No, it's the ratio of image size to the what? To the object size. Magnification is the ratio of what? Of image size to the what? Object size. And it has no unit. And it's also what? A dimensionless. Let us look at magnification. I said is what? Is the ratio of what? Image what? Image size. Abi? Let me write it here. Magnification. Magnification is the what? Ratio of what? Image size. So when we are talking about image size, is what? Is V. Image size to the what? To the object size. Talking of object size is known as what? As U. So mathematically, the word magnification, mag what? Magnification M is the ratio means what? Divide. The word ratio here means divide of image what? Image size. What is the symbol for image size? V. To the what? Object what? Object size. Which is what? U. Both of them are measured in what? Centimeter or meter, they cancel each other. So we can now rewrite it in this form. Magnification should be what? V over what? Over U. This is the formula for magnification. Equation what? 1.